What is going on, guys? Serious HD here, and today I'm doing a quick little video going over the new Project Infinity. Now, I said I wasn't going to really work on this anymore, but a lot of you guys have been having a ton of problems with the old tool, and I mean, I explained how to fix them all, but I just felt like it was too tedious to really have to use the tool, and it was too delicate of a tool, so I basically built a brand new tool from scratch, not using Java this time. I'm using C# because obviously Java was not probably a good idea on my part. And it's been redesigned completely, and on top of that, it has some new options. So, and the GUI's been completely redesigned. You guys will see when we go to the computer part, but I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the tool really quickly. Now, for any of you guys who don't know, you need a USB flash drive for this, and you need a Windows computer. If you have a Mac or a Linux, I'm sorry, you can't use this tool. It's only built for Windows, and I do not plan on building it for any other operating system because it's a pain in the ass. And I did this in Windows forums, so yeah, we're sticking with Windows. So basically what you need to do is go ahead and let me explain really quickly. This tool will only work for like offline stuff. Like when I say offline stuff, I mean like it can't mod your prestige, it can't mod your classes except for on Black Ops. It can't mod your, profile data. It can only mod like your clan tag, your call sign, your sensitivity, basically anything that's stored in your save data. And so, yeah, so hopefully that cleared up some things for you guys. Now, let's go ahead and get into how to do this. So the first thing you need to do is go on your PS3 and find your Modern Warfare 3 save. Now, this is going to be in Save Data Utility, and it's going to be over here, and you're going to need to make sure you have your flash drive in your PS3, alright? So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and you're going to take this, if it's there. If it's not there, guys, I'm going to show you how to get it. Make sure it says save game and profile or player profile. That's really important. Go ahead and hit copy, put it on your flash drive, and it should copy it over. If you've already modded game saves before, you know how to do this, and you know you're going to have to replace it. Did my system just freeze? This USB device cannot be accessed. Okay. Whatever. That was weird. That scared me for a minute. Alright, so, yeah, now that I haven't miserably failed with that. So, if that worked and you're done, you can go to the next step, which is going to be with the actual tool. If not, and if you didn't have this, let's say you didn't have this, or the tool tells you there's a missing file, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and you're going to delete yours, and then you're going to go into Modern Warfare 3, and then I will show you what to do when we get to the main menu. Alright, and we're back. So the first thing you're going to need to do is go ahead and go into campaign. You're going to hit new game. You're going to hit whatever you want because we don't actually care. And you're going to have to watch all this stupid crap. RPG! You can hit. I would wait until you see like this part right here. You just hit save, save and quit. And if it doesn't say saving at the top, you didn't do it right. Make sure it says saving. And once that's done, it might say reading HDD. It doesn't matter. It's pointless. It doesn't matter. We'll give it a second. You're gonna hit main menu, then you're gonna hit multiplayer. That's important that you do everything I do in this video, because if you don't do it, the tool won't work for you. You must have the proper files in the save, and this is the only way to get them. So we're just going to continue, and we'll just go ahead and start the match. The only reason we're doing this is because we need it to make a GPato MP.
Team Deathmatch. С нами Бог.
Alright.
It's a draw. Someone will
Now,
pay.
the last thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to hit play online. So you need to make sure you're signed into a PSN account to do this. Then when we hit play online, you're gonna see. Oh wait. Oh, I actually have prestige. I didn't know. Oh, that's interesting. I thought it was a brand new account. Thought I wiped it a while ago. But anyway, okay. So the next thing you're gonna do is you're just gonna go ahead and go into a private match online because you needed to make the proper save. I'm just gonna hit start here.
Team deathmatch.
After that, you can end the game, and then we're about to start the game.
Someone will pay.
Now, what that did behind the scenes, which you guys can't see, is in the save data, it just wrote all the files that we need to have to be able to mess with our call sign and save data. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to quit the game, if it will let me. Alright, screw this. Quit game. Now I wouldn't be surprised if my... Alright, now, after that, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and go to your save data utility, and now this should be here. If it's not here, I don't know what you did. Go ahead and copy it to your flash drive. Alright, there we go. Now, that's all you need. Now we're going to go ahead, pull your flash drive out of your PS3, going to go ahead and put it in your computer, and we're going to go over to the computer, and we're going to start working on this. So I will see you guys over there. So what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go ahead and download Project Infinity. Your download should look exactly like this. If it's different, it's because you're going to add fly and you need to click ahead. Alright, now what you're going to do, you can go ahead and open it if you want. I would actually prefer that you go to the downloads section and copy this to the desktop. Go ahead and copy this to the desktop. Now once it's on the desktop, we're going to go to the desktop and we're going to run it. Now it might say something like this. I don't actually know why, but we're going to run it anyway. And yeah, you're going to get like a resources spot on the desktop, and then you'll get like an icon or something. You'll have to run it again. And then everything should pop up. So, I don't know why it actually exits out of the application. It's kind of weird, but... Alright, so then what you're going to go ahead and do is you're going to click Smart Search. Now, if your USB is not in your computer, you're going to need to have it in your computer, because otherwise it's not going to work. Now what you're going to do is you're going to locate your save. Now it should look something like this. If not, it'll be on the desktop, but you need to make sure you look for this one right here. If you're doing it with any other game, like Black Ops, Ghosts, Advanced Warfare, any of that, it'll be very similar to this process. Obviously, if it's a Black Ops save, you need to click this right here. Now, if this doesn't work, then you need to make sure you click this and you can go find your save somewhere. So, after that, this is the new tool. It still does the same stuff as everything else. This is the new feature. It'll just actually add it to the end of the title or whatever, so you could do like green, right? And then I don't know, we could do 3D title and something, but I don't actually want a 3D title. So, I don't know. So, once we've done that, then we can go ahead, we'll pick a title. Now it actually lists them, so you don't have to do some crazy number thing. So let's do, I want that one. Okay. And green's actually going to look kind of bad on that, so let's go ahead and make that red. Let's make that blue. Alright. You can also do images if you wanted to. So if I wanted like XP or something, I'd hit XP. I'd hit 127. Oh, just kidding. 27. 127. Copy that. Then I'll put that right there. Oh, nope, can't do a string that long. Okay. There we go. Oh, just kidding. I don't actually know. Alright, I'm just going to do that then. Because there is a limit on the amount of characters you can do on there. Other options, and also you guys can see, if you haven't done something, it won't be checked. So you have to have all these checked in order to create the save. So for the clan tag, we're going to go ahead and we're going to do, let's just make it a box. And then clan level, let's make that 99. Sensitivity, let's make that 254 by 64. Now you guys need to pay attention right here. This is relative to about that. So in-game 10 sensitivity is about 1200, right? And so if you go any higher, you're going to get like crazy sensitivity. And then crazy HUD, I want it, so I'm going to put it on. I don't normally use it, but it's just for the demonstration of the video. Now let's say you have this save and you really don't want to lose your progress, right? You worked on it, you don't want to lose it. All you're going to have to do is just hit overwrite, and then look, your save's stuck in here. And you can also use the import and export features. If you use import, you basically go and you find your friend's save that you downloaded or whatever. Export, you can give it to your friend. Load will actually set it. So let's say I want to run crypticdevelopment.com. This would be a default save that comes with the tool. I'm going to go ahead and hit load. And as you can see, all this stuff is set now. But I want the save that we made, so I'm going to go ahead and load it back. And now you can see everything's back to what it was. Also, you can mess with the scroll bar. I don't really want to. And you can do Special Ops God mode now as well. I don't want to do that either. So, after all that's done, we're going to go ahead and you're going to hit Create Save. Now, you should watch this. This should stay green the whole time. If it says this, you're good to go. Your save's made, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to go back to PS3. If not, then something's wrong, and let me know what it is. If it's an error code, send me the error code, etc. So, we're going to close the tool. We're going to go ahead and we're going to eject our flash drive now. Alright. Now we're going to put our flash drive in our PS3, and we're going to go back to the PS3. So I'll see you guys over there. Alright, now we're back on the PS3. So what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go ahead and go to the Save Data utility. We're going to go into a USB device, and we're going to go to the one that says, our game that says Project Infinity. I actually don't know what that is, but we're going to go ahead and we're going to... Let me just delete that really quickly. I don't know what the hell that is. Alright, so this is what we want. We're going to copy that. We're going to overwrite the one on our PS3. Alright, now, if everything goes properly, this should be on your PS3 now, right? Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to start Modern Warfare 3. And I will see you guys at the main menu of Modern Warfare 3. Alright, now we're at the main menu of Modern Warfare 3, and as you can see, everything should have loaded properly. If it tells you to set your sensitivity and everything, something's wrong with your save, and you need to redo the steps that I just showed you. Generally, it shouldn't happen, but we'll see. It's taking a while. There we go. Alright, now if everything went well, you should be able to go ahead and hit play online. And after he finishes this crazy shit, oh look! Everything works. Look at that. That is the new Project Infinity, ladies and gentlemen. If you enjoy, leave a like. I'll go ahead and show you guys the crazy stuff in-game too. As you guys can see, it's much faster too. Once you get good with the tool, you can do it in a few minutes or less. And it's just all around much better than the old version.
Team deathmatch.
And yeah, so as you can see, HUD's broken because I did the crazy HUD. This is what you get.
Cortez wins.
Crazy sensitivity, etc. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like. Let me know in the comment section below. I'm going to stop the commentary for now, but I will be showing you guys some of the Black Ops stuff. Because I do think you guys will enjoy the Black Ops stuff as well. Actually, I'm not done with the commentary. I just thought about that. I'm going to go ahead and make a tutorial on how to use the Black Ops save editor as well, because it's kind of important. It's another half of the tool that I like. Technically it's a third or fourth, but it's still pretty damn cool. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to head over to the X and B again. If you guys are done with the Modern Warfare 3 section, let me know in the comment section below if you like this tool much better. If not, if you are here for the Black Ops, well, you're in luck. I'm going to show you guys how to use that as well.